Hi boys and girls, welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 12. Today we're going to start with some sounds. When you see my pointer, I want you to say the sound with me. My turn first. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Let's do it again. Get ready. Yes. Okay, our next sound. My turn first. Your turn. Very good. Let's try that again. Get ready. Yes. Our next sound, my turn first. Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Your turn again. Get ready. Yes. Good job saying your sounds. Now we are going to work on saying the sound. When I move the hand under the sound, you're going to say it. My turn first. My turn again. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Your turn again. Get ready. Yes. Good job saying Now we are going to do what the picture shows. So when my hand moves under the small red ball, you're going to put your hand on top of your head. When my hand goes back, you will put your hand down. Watch for my signal. Get ready. Good job. Let's do it again. Get ready. Yes, you did it. Good job doing what the picture shows. New game. Now, when I put the hand under the first picture, you're going to put your finger on your nose. When I move over to the second dot, you're going to put your hand on top of your head. When I go back to the big red dot, you're going to put both hands down. Your turn to do what the picture shows. Good job. You put your finger on your nose, then your hand on your head, and both hands down. Let's try that again. Get ready. Great job. One more time. Get ready. Great job doing what the picture shows. Here is a sound. My turn to say it. When I move under the sound, I'll say it. I'll keep on saying it as long as I touch under it. Get ready. Ah. My turn again. Get ready. Ah. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Your turn again. Get ready. Very good. Now we're going to say the word slowly without stopping between the sounds. Then you're going to say the word fast. Listen, we're going to say ooh, wee. Get ready. Ooh, wee. Again, get ready. Ooh, wee. Say it fast. Yes, we. Let's sound that one out again. Get ready. Ooh, wee. What word? Yes, we. Listen, we're going to say no. Say it with me. Get ready. No. Again. No. Say it fast. Yes. No. Let's do that one again. Get ready. No. What word? Yes. No. Okay, listen. We're going to sound out another word. Man. Get ready. Man. Again. Get ready. Man. Say it fast. Yes. Man. Let's say that one again. Get ready. Man. Again. Man. Say it fast. Yes. Man. Very good. Saying the word slowly and then saying it fast. Now I am going to say the word slowly and I want you to say it fast. Listen. Jumping. Listen again. Jumping. Say it fast. Yes, jumping. In this picture, what do you see? Do you see a dog jumping? Say it fast. Yes, jumping. First, you'll tell me all of the sounds on this page without making a mistake. Then, I'll cross them out. Remember to watch my hand. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. You told me every sound. You did a great job. Now get ready to tell me the sounds again. This time, I'll cross out each sound when you tell me what the sound is. Get ready? Yes. Next sound. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready? Yes. Say goodbye. You guys did a wonderful job on your sounds. We got to cross them all out. Very good. Parents, this page is blank. We are going to say some words slowly without stopping between the sounds. Listen. It. Get ready. It. Again. Get ready. It. All by yourselves. Get ready. Yes. It. Very good. Next word. Fun. Get ready. Fun. Again. Fun. By yourself. Get ready. Yes. Fun. Next word. Get ready. See. Your turn. Get ready. Again. Get ready. See. One more time. See. Your turn by yourself. Get ready. Yes, very good. See. Okay, we have another word. My turn first. Listen. Nice. Your turn. Get ready. Nice. Again. Nice. By yourself. Get ready. Yes. Nice. Great job saying the word slowly. Parents, this page is blank too. We're going to say a sound slowly, then say the sound fast. Listen. Get ready. Again. Get ready. Now say it fast. Get ready. Yes. Again. Say it fast. Yes. Listen to my next sound. S. Your turn. Get ready. S. Yes. Again. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. S. Listen, I have a new sound. Say Get ready. Your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes. All right, we're going to go through those one more time. My turn first. Your turn. Say it fast. Yes. Listen. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Say it fast. Yes. Listen. Say Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Say it fast. Yes. Here is your worksheet 12 on side 1 for the lesson. The word you will say tells what you're going to see on your worksheet. Listen. Running. Say it fast. Yes, running. Get ready to do it again. Listen. Running. Say it fast. Yes, running. Yes, in this picture on your worksheet, you will see someone who is, yes, running. Now on the worksheet, you're going to see the sound mm. When I move under the sound, you say it. Keep saying it as long as I touch under the sound. Get ready. Yes. Mm. Very good. Let's do that one more time. Get ready. Yes. Mm. Now you are going to write on your worksheet. There's a big black dot and a smaller black dot. You're going to take your pointer finger, start on the big black dot, and trace down the dotted line. Then pick your pencil up, put it on the smaller black dot, and trace the dotted line. Now, can you do that with your finger? Put your finger on the big black ball, trace, and then the little black ball, and trace the dotted line. There, you are going to write the on your worksheet. You can do the bottom with your pencil. Okay, flip your paper over to side 2 of worksheet 12. Everybody, look at this sound. What sound is it? Yes, the is crossed out. You have to cross out every on this part of your worksheet. Are you going to cross out this? No, that's a hat. You're only going to cross out the Everybody touch another you're going to cross out. Very good. Cross out all of the on the top of this worksheet. On the bottom of your worksheet, you are going to take your finger and follow the dotted line to see what this man is doing in this picture. Okay? Follow the dotted line all the way. Put your pencil on the ball. Follow it around. What did you make? Yes, a vacuum cleaner. All right, everybody, you're going to finish your worksheet, and when you are done, you may color the front and the back. You have done a wonderful job today. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the good work.